back on my channel, and we're gonna be opening up the glitter series Big Sisters, and I got golden bow. Let's get opening, and at the end I'll show you this stuff. Diamonds are forever. Stickers.
Hey, Aubrey, can you do me a favor?
Yeah. Yeah, guys, it's hard. Yeah. Oh, look at this cute outfit. Aww. See what the guide says. What the back looks like. I think I got sugar cane. I don't know. I'm gonna open the guide last. Oh yeah. Whoa. These are cute. Okay. Look at her cute headband. Can you play it like that? I've got Sugar Queen, Mommy. I got Sugar Queen, guys. I was not expecting for Sugar Queen. This is my first Sugar Queen, guys, I've ever got. So let me get it dressed. Where's your other shoe? Here she all dressed. This is so cute, isn't it? Here's the back of her. And you can't, they're not like the other dolls, but you can put her in the ball. If I can. I'm gonna put her, take her shoes off. See? And here's some lip gloss for me. See? And I'm trying to get this opened. This stuff from the mall, guys, if you're wondering where I got it. So, yeah. What is it called?
Claire's.
I've got it from Players. So yeah, I'm gonna try some on. See how they look in them. And this is also what I got. Hazard on the bottom. And it also has red. That's so only red, guys. Look at the back. Isn't it so cute? Here's my water bottle. Watch this. That's how you open it. These are from, and I want the donut ones today. So yeah, you guys, I hope you like this channel and give us a big thumbs up and subscribe, and bye.